Ilm is the Persian word for knowledge. So no wonder that I find knowledge and creativity in abundance when I come to IILM Academy of Higher Learning. This is a very special place as it signifies the temple of learning. So let's get in and find what this place has to offer. Located at Gomti Nagar in Lucknow, the capital city of Uttar Pradesh, IILM Academy of Higher Learning was founded in 2004 with a vision to impart an education based on ethical values resulting in knowledge and skills valued by the corporates. The mission of the institute is to develop tomorrow's business leaders through inspirational and creative teaching, which encourages the student to assimilate and apply relevant knowledge. IILM Academy of Higher Learning provides a 2 years full-time postgraduate diploma in management with a view to fulfill the dynamic requirement of the industry from management graduates. The learning experience at IILM transcends the walled space of physical classrooms. The Wi-Fi campus provides adequate provisions for what IILM calls a holistic approach towards education. Life at IILM goes beyond academics towards creating a necessary space for sports. The institute has smart classes that help convert teaching into learning. The institute also has a modern auditorium and an amphitheater that act host to seminars and to various co-curricular activities. The college also has a vast library with both online and offline book banks. The computer lab too aids the students in their pursuit of knowledge. The cool part about this campus is the students are getting nurtured from all the directions and they also get yummy food to eat at the canteen. I met up with the director of this institute and this is what she had to say. Thank you, Dr. Rusdi, for joining us. I want to know what is that one thing that makes IILM completely unique from all the other B schools?
What makes ILM different is our student-centric approach. We focus on the holistic development of every student as a human being, as a separate, unique human being. So we have dedicated mentors attached to every student, and the mentor counsels the students based on their specific, distinctive weaknesses, strengths, aspirations, constraints, so that each student is developed as a separate personality. So it's not a mass production factory that we are running here. Another thing which makes us different is that if you have to meet the director or the dean of the campus, you just have to knock the door. So this transparent open door policy makes sure that all the student concerns are addressed on priority. And we actually nurture the creativity, the initiative and the individualism amongst every student, and we give them multiple opportunities to practice the skills that they have acquired. So the student gets really developed as a human being, and this is absolutely evident as far as the placements are concerned. So we have students placed over various domains in various profiles. We have HR analyst in Kopalamba, then we have a sales trainee in ITC Limited, we have a marketing executive in Radio Mirchi, then we have an MT operations in State Bank of India Life Insurance. Students across various profiles. So I think that is what makes ILM unique.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for joining us. Now we are joined by the Dean of Academics of IILM Academy of Higher Learning, Dr. Sheetal Sharma. Thank you, Doctor, for joining us.
Hello.
Ma'am, I want to know what is the approach of teaching and of honing of skills of a student at this campus?
See, at ILM, we strongly believe in imparting the global education to our students. We not only focus on the traditional methods of teaching, but at the same time, we are trying to use innovative teaching methodologies like case studies, workshops as a part of our curriculum. We have adopted the curriculum from Yale University and tried to customize as far as the Indian scenario is concerned. Apart from that, as far as the honing of managerial skills is concerned, we are trying to encourage and give a lot of opportunities for live projects, for industrial visits, sectoral seminars to the student. And we also engage them in various internships like winter internships, summer internships, so that they can actually have the feel of the market, what exactly is going in the industry. So whatever is taught in the classrooms, they are actually able to use that in their and understand the application of it. Not only this, we have always encouraged our students to become social entrepreneurs. We have given them a lot of opportunities, and the students have taken active participation and initiatives to actually engage themselves into various social activities. We have an active CSR club, and students also earn credits with a paper or a course called Classroom to Community. So where they have actually to go to the community and serve the community. So the idea is not only to make them employable, but also the responsible management citizens.
Thank you, Doctor. It was lovely chatting with you.
Thank you.
Different club activities work on enhancing the persona of management students. Intellectual dynamism through academic club, versatility through cultural club, and developing a positive attitude through the sports club. The CSR club keeps the students engaged in various welfare activities, from organizing blood donation drives and creating awareness through Nukkad Natak on social issues to giving free classes to the underprivileged children in slums. IILM believes in nurturing creativity and offering a platform for creators, enabling them to develop their ideas to the fullest. There is never a dull moment at IILM. The students always find a reason to celebrate, and every opportunity to host parties is seized. The Intercollegiate Annual Event ZEAL is one such event. At IILM, all events are celebrated with enthusiasm and spunk. When a child first comes to this college, he is shy and hesitant. But at the time of passing out of this college, he is much more ready and prepared to face the day-to-day challenges that the world will be bringing to him. IILM has paved and will continue to pave the way for a brighter future for all the students that get in here. Ciao.